So what's a build-a-bike, or what's a build-a-basket, or what's a build-a-bridge? Interact has several different build packages, all designed to be team building. Some are focused on military, some are focused on foster kids like today. Today we had 400 people and we were given the task of in 2 hours being able to engage people in unique whimsical activities on some of the attractions and building 40 bikes for a local charity. So the teams start off, they show up and they have in their flags a team discovery. The team discovery goes through unique things about the team. This particular team had 80 years of combined existence in the company. Very well seasoned team. And we do some social discovery, and then we let them create a plan on actually going through the various competitions. We have on our backdrop, on our stage, you'll see the different builds. We have 6 different strategies to what this event is all about. On the back side of that sheet of paper is then the rules and basic information that we go over, because we really don't want too much mic time. What we want is we want people to participate and engage. So the way that happens is that they're out running around, they go out and they begin to compete. And as they compete for the bike parts, each of these bikes were actually put into 6 different bags. We're the only company in the country that takes time to actually make bags with team numbers and all the stuff, even a toolkit that we can audit visually when they are checking everything in. So there's 6 bags, there were 6 stations. We can do up to 20 stations. We can put all kinds of parts in different bags, but everything is perfectly numbered, organized, pre-checked. We go through a stringent check when they submit it, and the top 5 teams in this group then went to a final round of sprocket racing. But we can do cup stack, we can do multiple team activities that fit the group. The overall experience is that the teams come together, they connect, they learn about each other, they discover. Then they disband, they compete, and that's where strategy comes in. Then they come back, they build. They're really now immersed into interaction and working with each other. And then they go through the submission process, which is tough. There's 3 inspections the bike has to go through before they're given an end time. And all this is done in 2 hours because of how we organize, how we communicate from our tables with proper information and signs, giving them instructions on every table, on every bag, on every team backside of their fill-out team discovery. Over communicate, but it makes it fluid. It keeps it organized, and people have a huge bang for the buck, whether it's 400 or 2,000. We make sure it's a dynamic, high energy throughput by matching the right attractions to the right amount of people, and then letting them just have at it. Building the bike just takes its natural course, and it's a feel-good event because we're then go give it to charity, and they all wrote note cards to the kids that are getting the bikes. So this Build-A-Bike is a big, unique, competitive, but fun, very balanced, very diverse team building event. We can cater a great lunch with it. You can do snacks and hors d'oeuvres and just have a 2-3 hour event. We've had this event last 4 hours. We've had this event done in an hour and a half. It again, we're organized. We have premium bikes. We use bags and labels and over communicate with our special flagging, special team flagging, special table flagging. We're the only company in the world that puts the team number digital printed on every single table. That's how passionate we are about making it clear, communicate, and flow, and look very professional. There's not anyone that offers a professional presentation as much as we do here.